If you see a green dot up here on your iPhone, it means there's an app that's using your camera and the camera is active. If you see an orange dot, it means an app is accessing your microphone and the mic is active. You'll see when I open my camera app, for example, the green dot instantly appears. When the camera is on, it usually means the microphone is also on, but the green dot takes priority because accessing your camera is a bigger deal from a privacy standpoint. And that's what this feature is all about: protecting your privacy and making sure no one can access your camera or microphone without you knowing. If you see the dot and don't know what app is accessing your camera, you can swipe down from the top right corner to open your control center, and it'll show on the very top a little highlight, pointing out which app is accessing these, and you can tap into it to see what exactly they're accessing. If you ever see a blue or purple dot, it means an app is accessing your location. A solid dot would mean an app is tracking you in real time, like a navigation app. And if you see a hollow outline, it means an app was doing a fencing check, like the weather app checking what city you're in. If you go to the privacy and security settings, you can scroll down to your camera and microphone sections, and you'll see a list of apps that have requested access to your camera and microphone. If you see an app that you don't want to give access to these, you can just toggle it off. And in the same privacy menu under Location Services, you can deny any app access to your location. iPhone's privacy features are pretty robust, so it's good to understand these and how to use them. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.